Hey friends, and welcome back. So today I've partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you a few of their summer 2019 add-ons. And if you're new here, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box with amazing full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. It is my absolute favorite box. It is seasonal, so it comes out 4 times a year, and each box is $49.99 but retails for well over $200. Always an assortment of really fabulous products. And I'm so excited because Fabfitfun just opened their summer add-ons. And if you're not familiar with add-ons, add-ons are a members only flash sale where you can shop discounted products that ship with your box. So they do sell out really quickly. So you may want to consider upgrading to an annual subscription with Fabfitfun. When you do that, you get early access to the add-ons. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a preview of some of the many products that they have in their summer add-ons. So the first is from Zoe Ayla, and this is their luxurious rose quartz facial roller. And these are really neat, especially with warmer weather coming up, because you can actually pop these rollers in the fridge. They get nice and chilly, and then you can use it to roll all over your face, and that is just going to help drain your lymph nodes, get rid of tired, puffy eyes. It's going to help your facial moisturizer to absorb. It's also going to remove toxins. So definitely recommend checking these out. I love mine. Another add-on option is from Lexi. This is their Eye Essential Rose Gold Collection brush set. These brushes are so pretty. Let me open it up so I can show you guys a little bit closer what these look like. You can see they're pink on the bottom with the rose gold metal here. Really super fluffy synthetic fiber. You get a small angled eye brush, medium angled shading brush, a flat definer, a small tapered blending brush, and an eye blending brush. So pretty much everything that you need to achieve the perfect eye look. The next option is from iDecos, and this is their phone pocket, a peel and stick card holder for all phones and cases. How stinking cool is that? Because when you go out, like, I don't know, if you're in the city or if you're going out to a club, girls' night out, that kind of thing, it can be such a pain to have to carry your handbag with you. You guys know, especially if you're a mom like me, it seems like our handbags weigh like 40 pounds. I could literally take someone out with my handbag. So this is a really great option because you actually just remove this 3M sticker, stick this onto the back of your cell phone, and then you have this really cute little card packet for your ID. You can stick cash in there, credit card, whatever, and it's easily accessible. So that is an awesome idea. You can see it's like a metallic gold, so super chic. Ooh, love. Next add-on is this SPF RX Radiant Lips Lip Plumping Collection. And it comes with 3 glosses. One's a lip plumper and then 2 lipsticks. Ooh. So this is the Ultra Clear Lip Plumping Volumizer with Volulip technology. And then these 2 are lip plumping lipstick. One is in Burnt Sienna and one is in Simply There. You can see one's like a pretty kind of burnt orange and the other is a really gorgeous nude. So you guys know I'm going to go for the nude first. I love a good nude lippy. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Super creamy. No smell, which is really nice. So I'm excited to try these out. Anything to plump these bad boys up, you guys, because I'm too afraid to go get needles in my lips. So that's a great add-on option. Next is from Wander Beauty, and this is their Take Flight Skincare Discovery Kit. And this is so pretty. Really great gift idea. So these are travel-ready skincare essentials. It says gorgeous on the go, and up here you have your gold eye patches that you can apply underneath your eyes to get rid of puffiness. And then here you have 3 different products, one to hydrate, one to brighten, and a glow product. This is a facial oil. So these 2 are face masks. And I've been really into facial oils lately. Recently, I started using oils instead of a moisturizer, which I didn't think would be good for my skin because I can tend to get a little greasy, especially in the summertime. But actually, the oil has like made my face so flawless. Like I've had way less breakouts than when I was using a cream moisturizer. So definitely recommend trying out facial oils if you haven't, especially if you have combo skin. But I'm really excited to try these because I love the packaging. Super, super pretty. Next, we have a couple of products from Ovation. Their leave-in detangler spray, and it also does come with the little spray nozzle, and their clarifying therapy shampoo. This is really going to be great, especially if you have a lot of product buildup, if you use a lot of hairspray, oils in your hair, flat iron spray, that kind of thing. The clarifying shampoo is really, really important. You want to get all of that out. Okay guys, so the next add-on is from LXMI. This is their Nalatica Goddess Glow, and it is a hydrating illuminator, and I really love the packaging. Super pretty. Ooh, and it is pink. It is a pink cream highlighter. This is really cool. Okay, so, yep, comes out pink on your hand, as you can see, and then when you rub it in, ooh, it's super creamy and moisturizing, but it almost has like a cooling effect. Look how pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty, you guys. That's gorgeous for summertime. Look at that. It's got a gorgeous gold glow to it. Okay, so the next few products are all from Skin and Lab, and these are the Dr. Vita Clinic skin products. So they have the A+ lifting, the B+ calming, and the C+ brightening. So all of these are skincare creams that are made with carefully selected vitamins for healthier skin. So excited to try all of those out. So next two skincare products are from, I have no idea how to pronounce this, Hongjisu, I believe it might be Korean skincare, which is always awesome. They are like leaps and bounds ahead of us in terms of skincare. They always have the best products. So this is their Pure Daily Foaming Cleanser. This is brightening, and it is natural and organic, made with green tea. So I love that. Ooh, the packaging is really neat. Look at that. And then also their Pure Daily Foaming Cleanser for anti-skin trouble. And this is also natural and organic, but includes chamomile. So that's going to be really gentle and help with any sensitive skin. Also, a couple of skincare products from the brand Urban Eco. Their Waratah Toner and Waratah Essence Lotion. So many good skincare add-on options this season, you guys. Ooh. Look at that packaging. That would be really pretty on the vanity. So a toner and lotion. Oh my goodness, these are from Australia. So these actually contain 100% Waratah extract instead of water. It's a whitening and anti-wrinkle functional cosmetic. Yes, girl, need that. So that's a really exciting add-on. Then from we have their Restorative Lavender Body Oil. Feels like a really big bottle. So this should last, ooh, forever. It's glass, I love that. And like I told you guys, I'm really into all the oils lately. Oh, this smells so good. This smells exactly like what I use for my face. But this is for the whole body. Lavender scented, so really nice and relaxing and calming, especially before bed. So get out of the shower, apply this body oil all over, and it should help you relax, and of course it's going to moisturize. Next add-on option is from Numi. How exciting! And this is their 25mm classic wand in turquoise. And you guys, I have already a couple Numi curling wands. They are amazing. They do have tourmaline infused ceramic barrels. Ooh, if I can get it out. And oh my goodness, this is like all I use. They're really, really good. So it comes with your glove, and then your beautiful turquoise curling iron. This is the kind where you just wrap your hair around the barrel, which I did today. You guys can see that it gives you really nice, just loose waves. So really excited about this add-on. I just love Numi products. They're amazing. 25mm is like the classic. You have to have it. So awesome add-on. Then we have just a few more skincare products, and then I'll be done talking your guys' heads off. But this one is the Urban Skin RX 3-in-1 treatment. This is a cleanser, exfoliator, and mask. Cool. Combination skin cleansing bar, which you guys know I have combination skin, so I'm really, really excited about this. Anti-aging, smoothing, and hydrating. Comes in a nice little jar. Ooh. Neat. It comes with these little pads inside, and then it is like actually a solid cleansing bar in there. This is the Natto Botanics Resurface Scrub. So a good exfoliator, perfect for the end of summer. Ooh, this is really thick. Oh my gosh, it smells like peppermint. I love peppermint. Ooh, that's a neat consistency. It's like, I can't even describe the texture. It's almost like foamy. You can use it on your face, the backs of your arms, pretty much anywhere on your body. Oh, and I love the really fresh peppermint scent, really invigorating for when you're in the shower. I always love to use products like that in the morning because they just wake me up. Then we have a couple of skincare products from Z-Skin, 100% organic skincare. And they have their acne spot treatment. Yes, so excited about that. And their acne shine control. So it's really rare actually to see acne products that are 100% organic. So I'm excited to try these out. It looks like they have peppermint, turmeric, clove, tea tree, lemon, witch hazel, all really amazing products to naturally get rid of pimples and acne. So the last summer add-on I have to share with you guys is from the brand Unsun. This is their mineral tinted broad spectrum face sunscreen for all skin types. It's SPF 30, which is what they typically recommend for your face. And it does have a slight tint to it. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's like almost the color of like a light to medium foundation, which is really cool. So you're not going to get that crazy ghostly white cast at the beach. Oh my gosh, and it feels so nice. Oh my God, that's amazing. Really no smell, which I love. I can't stand like sunscreen smell. Oh, this one's in the shade Fairlight, so it looks like you can pick your shade, which is really neat. It blended right into my hand. You can't even like tell. This is really good, you guys. So I'm excited about that as well, because then you can go out with no makeup on, but still get a little bit of coverage and have sun protection. So that's like A+. Definitely recommend adding this to your bag. This would be great to take in your beach bag. Love it. Okay, so that's from Unsun. So I believe that those are all of the summer 2019 Fabfitfun add-ons that I had to share with you guys today. If you saw anything that you like, definitely head over and add it to your box now, because like I said, the really hot add-ons go super fast. So definitely head over and add those if you're interested. I also have a $10 off coupon code to get $10 off your first Fabfitfun box down below, so be sure to check that out and give me a thumbs up, you guys. Also, I am thinking about doing a Amazon try-on haul for you guys. I have been purchasing a ton of clothes for summer on Amazon, so not sure if you guys are interested in seeing a try-on haul. If you are, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And until next time, guys, bye.